Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ali Virtue, and yes, this is Grow with this channel, the channel where I get to share with you from my experience, my journey here on YouTube, how I'm navigating through it, and how I'm beginning to learn and unlearn. In today's video, I'm talking about just one thing, one setting you need to turn on your channel that can make a lot of difference. It can make a lot of difference for you. It can give you subscribers, views, and watch time as I am looking for. Which setting is that? This setting is the one we call recency. In case you don't know what it's about, let's just get right into the video and ensure to watch to the end so that you get value for the time spent here. Okay, this is how to get the recency turned on. Now you're going to head on to Google. You head on to Google and you're going to click on the search bar and type in YouTube Studio desktop sites. You click on YouTube Studio desktop site. So sorry, my phone is hanging. YouTube Studio desktop site. Ensure that it's in desktop mode. How do you get the desktop mode turned on? These three buttons, these three icon train up here. Go ahead and scroll down. You see desktop site. Ensure that it's on desktop mode. Click on that to turn it on in case your one is off. Now let's now click on login. You click on login and allow this to load up. You click on continue to studio. If yours opened like this, if you did not take it directly to the site, click on continue to studio and allow this to still open up. Okay, so this is what I need you to do. When you're here on your dashboard, you see this icon down here, the one that is next to the music icon, the one that is tagged customization. Click on it and then give it some time to still load up. When it opens up like this, channel customization, the next thing I need you to do is to click on home tab. Click on home tab and then you're going to see this channel looking like this. This is one of our channels and it's not really I've actually not set it up or done anything on it. I just want to use it to show you the recency button and why you should turn it on. Where you see for you, click on more settings. Now this is where you have it. You see here you have videos, shorts, live stream, they are all turned on, but it says all content recommended. Now the reason why I'm going to say don't leave it at all content, switch it over to recency, is so that YouTube will keep pushing out the recent videos you made, to your subscribers and to your audience. If you leave it at all content, the videos you made 2 years ago that are no longer valid, or 3 years ago that you don't even want to see on your channel anymore, YouTube can be suggesting those ones to people, and it might not be, so interesting to watch anymore. You want them to see the ones that are recent, and that is the reason why you should go ahead and click on recent own content only, right? Content you posted in the last 12 months, content you created in the last 12 months. That's the one you want to put it there. You want to put on, then you go ahead and click on done. When you do this, it simply means that YouTube will begin to show your recent content to subscribers. It will be on recommended, it will be on the homepage, it can be on the FYP, it will be shown to people because there are videos they have done in the last 1 year. But when you leave it at all content from years ago are the ones that YouTube begins to push out to your audience, and you don't want that happening because you're upgraded, right? You have changed. A lot of things that you were doing 3 years ago are not the same way you're doing now. I know you're creating evergreen content, but you want to ensure that the what is happening, like, in the moment, you want to post in the moment content so that it is evergreen, it is ever new. People get to engage on it. When you are done turning that on, don't just head off. What you need to, when you're done turning that on, the next thing I need you to do is to click on publish. You click on publish for these settings to become see, they say here changes published, go to channel. It has been set now. When you do this, you will notice that you begin to the videos that you post in the recent times will now be what YouTube will be pushing out to your audience. Then a lot of other settings you need to turn on. You see this video link showing up here. In that video, I talked about the settings you should turn on before you make your first video. Let's assume that you want to start and you have not posted anything at all. That video will help guide you. And if you've already posted on YouTube and you don't even know how to go, you don't know what you're doing, you are still confused, still click on that video so that you can understand the settings you need to turn on. And this other video right here, I talked about the four settings you need to turn on if you're looking to get subscribers, views, and watch time. Click on that video because there are four settings you also need to turn on in order for you to get subscribers and every other thing in between. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really hoping that you found value for your time spent here. It is a short one, but I'm also hoping that you got value for your time. I'm hoping that I'll be able to see you in my next video. But for the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a share, leave a thumbs up on the video. Go ahead and just click on the playlist to watch the videos I have made in the past that can help you navigate through YouTube. And you see the other one down here. You can click on it for you to be able to know the settings you need to turn on if you want to, get subscribers, get watch hours on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.